here's a little explainer on how to do this assignment. For the first question, I want you to take a picture with the front-facing camera of your cell phone. So your front-facing camera, take a picture using that camera, like you would a normal selfie. And then flip it over and take a selfie using this rear-facing camera. I want you to paste both photos right here, okay? And then I want you to talk about how do they look different, okay? When you zoom in, use your fingers and zoom in on that picture. Is there a difference in quality? Is there a difference in what is clear and what is blurry? What do you see? For the second question, I want you to compare exposure settings. So on your phone, when you go to take a picture, there's a little sun icon there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but click and drag that sun up or down and change the exposure. It will make the picture brighter or darker. And I just want you to know that you can do this, okay? For number 3, you want to take a burst. So when you're in your camera app, click on the shutter release button and hold it down. And you see, when you hold it down, it will start taking pictures one after the other after the other. And when you open it up, you should see that it says select, right? And just click on select. And then you can flip through the many pictures that you took, okay? You'll click the button to save the ones that you like. And when you hit done, it will only save those and it won't keep the rest of them. Paste 2 of those pictures from that burst in here for number 3. Sometimes you can get some funny ones. So if somebody is jumping or moving, you can get some funny pictures that way. Number 4 is portrait mode versus photo mode. When you go to take a picture of someone, just use regular photo mode. So click and tap and make it take a picture. And then use portrait mode. And I want you to look at what the difference might be between the two, okay? And paste both of those photos there. Write a short description of what you see different. For number 5, you want to hold your phone up to take someone's portrait. And you want them to start way at the other side of the room and have them walk slowly toward you. You want to notice how far away is that portrait mode going to trigger. So you should see a box pop up and it should say portrait mode. Measure how far away from the camera the person was when that portrait mode popped up. Then you want them to keep walking toward you until portrait mode goes away. Is there a limit as to how close the person can be for you to take a portrait mode photo? Okay, and again, measure that distance. It's okay if you're only measuring it with footsteps rather than a tape measure. That's okay. And the last thing I want you to check out is when you're using portrait mode, you will see if you touch, there are different light settings. I want you to experiment with the different light settings. How do they change the look of the portrait? One cool little fact is that even after you've taken it, if you go to edit that portrait, you can switch between modes. All right, happy shooting.